A wonderful evening to all my undergrads of class 10th and 12th. Welcome to my channel Genesis, and recently I have changed the name of my channel. In today's segment I have brought a very important module about how to prepare for Term 1 Language Paper 2021 and 22. As earlier many scholars have asked me about it, so let me give you a clear overview on it. And before we disseminate this, I will request you that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and like and share as much as you can. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. Even though it's a language exam, but since it is multiple choice based questions, now so it tests comprehension more than the linguistic skills of students. Okay, so while preparing for class 10th and 12th board exams, students tend to ignore languages, considering them effortless and unchallenging. They only limit their preparations of language to the through reading of the summarizes of the lessons. The new scheme of multiple choice questions for Term 1 seems to be in the favor of all the students, since it saves them from committing a lot of grammatical errors in writing, which they were like often prone to do in subjective exams. Okay, so like if you have any subjective exams, you will be committing a lot of grammatical errors and inaccuracy during those. So in order to eradicate such kind of issues, like they have prescribed or launched the new pattern of CBSE's Term 1 examination. So the question paper will be proportionately divided to be easily attempted by the students of all types of intelligence and preparation. Some percentage of the questions paper may be unseen, which can only be well attempted by the students with developed reading skills, whereas the literature, which almost is 50% of the exam, has already also been made effortless for the sudden students by CBSE. For 20 questions out of 30 are based on RTCs, that means reference to context. So even if the students can recognize the chapters, they can easily attempt them. Now moving on, most of the standalone multiple choice questions can also be attempted well if the students patiently read the questions a few times. Also note, even though it's a language exam, but since it is multiple choice questions based now, so it tests comprehension more than the linguistic skills of the students. There are a few tricks, if learnt and applied well, that can be a great help in tricking the correct answers for almost every questions. Okay, so now I'll be moving on, and I'll be giving you some important tips how to trick the question and how to answer them. Okay, so just give me a quick moment over here. So reading the entire question carefully along with the options helps in maximizing the understanding of the question. And only the well understood question can be a well answered question. Eliminate wrong answers in order to reach the right one. Okay, select the answer that is to the point and exact. Answer the questions if you know. First, since you will have an OMR sheet, just keep circling as per your wish. Okay, attempt all the questions. Since there is no negative marking this time, make a calculated guess while attempting the questions that you find unfamiliar. A guess based on sheer comprehension and calculation might prove to be in your favor. Pay attention to the words or phrases like not true, true included, not included, etc. Read the statements multiple times to find out whether the given statement is a fact or an opinion. They are quite bewildering. Okay, so you have to be very careful while reading the comprehension portion, because there will be some questions based on RTCs and some will be on statements. The reading section should be attempted at the end, since that is all new for the students, therefore consumes more time and retention as compared to the seen content. Learning the names of the writers or authors and the poets is a must. Read the reference to context properly in order to attempt them well. almost all RTC, as I said earlier, reference to context based questions can be answered from the given paragraph. Okay, so these are the important things which you have to keep in your mind before you enter in the examination room. And if you have the language paper, this is for class 10th and 12th board, and I'm sure that all the tricks and all the points which I have just explained in this video, all these things will be very helpful to you if you remember it, and if you answer the question paper like in the same chronicle order, in the same method, then it will not take much time to understand the question paper and answer the questions. Okay, so the CBSE has already given most of the tips earlier also on its website, but this is the calculation of mine which I have gone through all the things. So this is what I have made for my disciples of class 10th and 12th, and I hope that this is going to help for everyone. So I will request you once again that please go through the video from starting to end, and I'm sure that all the points which I have explained in this video, it's going to really help you. Okay, so once again I would like to say best of luck to all my undergrads of class 10th and 12th for their language paper 2021 and 22. All right, and once again please subscribe the channel, share and like it, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, because I'll be keep on posting new videos on my channel and you will be getting new updates on it. All right, thank you so much for your patience and listening to me so carefully. Have a nice day. Bye bye.